Y'all, it is freaking finally, bro. We are done. There are 200, I believe 260. I've not gone through it and counted again, but I'm not going to. I do not care. Hey guys, and happy today. What's up, y'all? My name is Nisha B. If you are new to my page, welcome. I cover fitness and just locks and lifestyle. And if you are returning, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you for subscribing. Turn your notifications on, guys. I will try to post every 2 weeks to be more consistent. From fitness to locks, that'll be the content that I post for the most part. So today's video, I wanted to talk about my locks. I wanted to talk about, these are my starter locks. I'm officially 3 weeks now. I meant to drop this video last week. I never got around to it. So here we are. I will be back when I'm about a month and a half locked, and I'll do an update for you guys then as well. So today's video will cover how I install my DIY micro 2-strand twist locks. And I'm not really sure if they're micro or not, but I've seen somebody else and it sounds good, so I'm gonna say that. I have 268 locks, and this video again is the actual installation. It took me 3 days. I finished the 3rd day at like 3 a.m. I just decided to stay up and get it over with because I was tired of going back and forth with my hair. And I was just done. So I'm excited to show you all the video. I have before pictures, I have, you know, the afters, the first 2 weeks of shrinkage. I feel like right now I'm on week 3. I feel like this is the most shrinkage I've gotten since starting. But I've been using moisturizer, and well, I've just started using the lock method. And I think the water might have helped to shrink it a little bit. But I also didn't blow dry my hair in advance because I didn't want any extreme shrinkage. I already knew my hair would shrink up. I'm okay with it. I'm not okay with it, but I am okay with it. So anyway, please stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the video. Alright, so this is my day 3 of installing my locks, or my starter locks. This is the corner I just did. I feel like y'all seen it earlier when I had it like tied in my face. This was the section I had tied. This is a new section I'm doing. And how I'm going to divide this and how I've been dividing my hair. I also seen a track before online. Somebody else's hair where they kind of like went like that, like a U shape, like a wider U shape. So that's kind of what I was going for. For the most part, these are straight across. But now that it's getting to the higher part, they've been rounding with my head. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to finish this track around and make that all the way, almost like a closure, like you would on a sewing. And then I'll just divide it in the middle and then finish like that. I'm getting ready to set up. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys since I brought my light over here so I can see better. What I'm going to do first real quick is moisturize this section. So that when I crop it, or sorry, when I part it, it just lays better. So what I've been using is water, which has my 2 conditioners and some oils in it. This is my go-to water I use for all of my hair always. Yeah, so conditioner in my mixture. I just microwaved it. That's what it looks like this now. But I have a little conditioner inside of my oil mixture, which is this. Has a little coconut in it. I am also low porosity hair. So most products don't actually absorb like they're supposed to, but when it's oil-based, I don't have as much issue with the oil. The oil gets in like it's supposed to. And the only products I use now are those conditioners, which is this one. No parabens, no sulfates. It's argan oil conditioner and then coconut milk conditioner. So I use in my hair now with my different vitamins. Oils. All right, so now I'm gonna do little bit of conditioner. And I'm just gonna put it all over. Now I've been doing that for these sections because this part of my hair usually is extremely dry. I just want to be careful and prevent anything that I could. Now here is my length. It's about 15 inches. I've already measured most of my hair. Like usually when I do my hair, and I'm gonna detangle. But usually when I do my hair, I don't get a chance to moisturize my whole head. And so that's what I'm trying to do different with this. So how I've been kind of like doing my parts. Since the front, they say you're supposed to do the front part small, my whole head is going to be small. Honestly, so I'm just kind of like, I'll fill it through and test how when I do my things. I'm going to back you guys up for a second. This is the hair. And I just check it in the mirror to make sure it looks right. All I'm looking for is making sure my lines are up and down. But I don't want the piece too big. Just so it's consistent. I know this is a good 30 to 50 strands of hair in here. My hair is extremely dense. Also, when I am twisting it, I divide it top to bottom. My hair, all of my hair twists to the left. So like when I retwist, I'll be retwisting in this direction. And that's how I've been twisting everything. So when I'm over here, I divide it into two, top and bottom, and I twist like that. Same thing here. I'm gonna divide it into two. That's my top piece, my bottom piece. I'm just checking, make sure it's even. All right, looks good to me. And now we're gonna twist. I'm actually gonna put a little bit more product on my finger. Just a little bit of oil with the conditioner on it. Rub it on both pieces. Push my other hair out the way. It's gonna hurt a little bit. And now we're gonna twist down. This has been my process for the last few days. We're on day 3. So, I know I'll probably be doing this until maybe Tuesday. We'll see how I'm feeling. Alright, when I get to the very end of my lock, when I get to the very end of my strand, see all my hair right now is bra strap length. And this is the front of my head, so it's not quite bra. Very much boob. Now I'm taking the Argan conditioner. I already have some out. Put a little bit on my finger. And once I get to the very end, Alright, once I get to the very end, I lost my pieces. Once I get to the very end, say about here. Can't even see it that well. Then I just take it, rub my ends, and this is how I've been rolling it. I'm trying to just form a curl. So I do 2 fingers into one. I do 2 fingers again. That's how I've been doing it. And then because I don't have an actual conditioner in my hair, it's going to shrink. So like that's the length. That's the length all over my head, but when it shrinks, it'll end up like those. Probably shorter over the next few days. But my hair in the back is 2 days old now. And that's how much it's shrunk so far. So we'll see what happens. But I did these front corners a little earlier. They're already shrinking. So I don't mind. It still has hang time, so I'm happy. We'll see how it does. I'm going to be banding my hair to keep length because I want my hair to have some length to it. But I also want my curls on my ends to stay. So when I moisturize my hair, I probably will lightly do conditioner and then like go over my very ends of my hair throughout my progress and just rub it through the very ends. Not for product buildup, but for maintaining my curls. I want curls. Okay. Another thing real quick is that when I'm doing my hair, when I do like my sections, I'll do one on this side and then I do another on the opposite side. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and prepare this side and then pin them up same way, same part, and then I'll start the same one. What I do is just go back and forth with the mirror and make sure that each part is the same. Make sure the part is same width, etc. Then I twist it down and then I make sure they're lined up and all that kind of stuff. And I just continue, that way I have the same amount on each side. So that's what I've been kind of doing throughout my entire head. Probably why it's taking a little bit longer, but I just want to make sure they're even.
Okay. All right, great. Great. All right, we'll see you later. All right, love you too.
268, I think. Y'all, it is freaking finally, bro. We are done. There are 200, I believe 268. I've not gone through it and counted again, but I'm not going to. I do not care. I'm exhausted, and this is not how many I ever planned on having, this many starter locks. But my sister said, she was like, do your locks, your 2-strand twists one last time the way you like them. And so I've done a style similar to this before back in 2015. I probably inserted this picture a million times. I inserted it again. And that was the last time I did my hair like that. It took forever to do my hair then too. I think it took over a day. This hair took me, I'm looking the wrong way. This hair took me officially June 4th I started. It is officially, Alexa, what day is it?
Today is Monday, June 7th.
So this is 3 days of hair twisting down like crazy. This back row, the furthest back, I finished the first day. And then about here was the second. And then today was the rest. And it is 3 a.m. All right, so here is my week 1 hair update. I finished last week on June 7th. Today is June 14th, I believe. So honestly say the only difference I've noticed is that my hair, I usually twist my hair down with conditioner and etc. I still have a lot of stretch, I guess, in my hair. But I have so far seen little shrinkage. I'm getting ready to get in the pool today. I'm not actually getting my hair wet though, because it's only been a week. So my hair will be pinned up for the duration of the pool workout that we're doing. But yeah, so I've noticed growth very fast so far. But when I usually do my hair with conditioner, I don't see any like new growth until about 2 weeks. So maybe it's because it's lighter and less product. And I can literally flip it. You can see how much tighter the parts look. A lot more frizzies in here. So my hair does usually grow fast when I leave it alone. So that's why I was like, I guess locks would be better for me. So here's the back. I will see everybody else do this, so I'm gonna do it too. And then here is the length. To my light. And this is the hang time. So that's where we are. Week 1.